It's an alert day. You know that because I was talking about today last week. Big hail possible. There is a tornado risk. Each is a little bit different. Yesterday, the cap held. All right, if you're outside yesterday evening, if you look west, you can see a couple cumulus clouds and they went flat. That is warm air loft and dry air just killed any storm development. Today, the cap should break. And we have another risk tomorrow. It's similar, it's not exact. Now, expect multiple rounds for OKC. A first one is hitting by 7. There may be another one after that. It just depends how strong the first wave is. So is it kind of the game of dominoes. Storms go up this afternoon out west. Could have warnings by 3 or 4 o'clock. They'll track east-northeast. And so up to 6 o'clock, we're at a 60%. And then at 6 to 7 o'clock, we go to that 60%. So likely, but still scattered. So the risk zone, remember, this is solely tied to the amount of damage reports. And so green is isolated and yellow is scattered. And then numerous is the level 3. So there you go. That includes OKC. Then I'm going to break down the maps here. The tornado index for us as we go into today, it's a big area that's a 4, and then I did draw in a little 6 in there, just kind of coming up the turnpike. Hail, where it would be the biggest. Now, not everybody's going to, it's not going to be like hundreds of reports of softballs. It may just be one storm producing that big of hail. But then, you know, in red is up to tennis ball, again, very isolated. But as you pull away from the instability plume in western Oklahoma, hail sizes will drop in eastern Oklahoma. Timing, let's be ready. 3, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, western Oklahoma. Storms move to the east. They come into OKC by the tail end of the evening commute into the early evening. Now, this is for my initial wave. There could be redevelopment on the backside, so we're going to have to watch for that. The dry line could fire again. Speaking of the dry line, behind the dry line, it's dry. Really low humidity and high winds. Fire danger is bad out west. We're in the 70s. We're warming through this cloud cover. It's not going to take much for us to get these storms of fire today. Clouds are just moving on by. Winds howling. So winds are stronger today than yesterday. Sustained 25, gusting 35. We have low chances at any point. Highest chance at 6%, about 6 o'clock. Red icon is turned on. By the way, the pollen, pretty bad. Got red on there too, so trees in the high category. Makes sense. Everything is budding or leafing out. Highs in the 80s today, and then there's tomorrow. It's another level 2 risk, meaning scattered storm reports. It includes OKC. Tornadoes are possible. Hail size started it at tennis balls, and there's a wind risk. Not too worried about the flood risk. The tornado index tomorrow is also a 4. It's not as big as today. This will get updated, so you come pay me a visit tomorrow morning, and I'll have new maps for you. What I don't like about tomorrow is that storms would form over OKC around 4 or 5 o'clock. So like today, I think our school let out is normal. Kids are riding the bus and you're in the pickup line. Everything's fine. We can get home before the storms hit. We already talked about them hitting, you know, in the early evening. Tomorrow's a little bit different. Could be late afternoon. So let's table that. Let's circle back. We'll talk about this tomorrow if we need to check our kids out early tomorrow. But those storms are hitting at like 4 or 5 o'clock. You need to be where you need to be tomorrow when that all hits and that wave moves on out. And then there's Friday. Friday, another big day for us. 4 days out, already upgraded, level 3. My attitude of this, hey, we're just going to handle this one day at a time. There's no reason to get nervous about Friday. Let's get through today, get through tomorrow. I want to say we need the rain, and we do, but I don't know if I want that rain because the price tag that comes with it. A lot of us will actually get some good rains. Not everybody's getting the damage. And so, yeah, 1 to 2 inches here in central Oklahoma. So you know about the 3 alert days. The weekend is stable and dry. We're good. And then next week, it takes several days for recovery, but even by next Wednesday, we might see some more isolated severe weather. And that is your latest 5+5 day forecast.